Hi, I'm Jay from Connected Essentials, and in this video we're looking at the CED-102 space-saving folding desk. This unique design offers maximum space with a minimal footprint and is a great solution for children's bedrooms, home offices or studies. It's finished in a light textured oak with a white steel frame. On the top there are two open shelves which provides plenty of space. For example, a standard A4 ream of paper, any files or folders will fit absolutely fine on both shelves, giving you plenty of space to store your books, magazines and other household items. So turning the CED-102 into a desk is very simple and straightforward. You lift this front flap upwards and underneath there's this leg which comes out to the centre, and it's as simple as that. You now have a fully functioning desk. The desk provides plenty of space for a number of items, including a 15-inch laptop and any other accessories that may be associated with it. Once the desk has been lifted up, it reveals two further shelves underneath, providing more storage. When the desk space is no longer needed, you simply fold it away. Take the pressure off the top, fold the lid back under, and it drops down nice and smoothly, like so. The back of the desk is completely enclosed, meaning anything that you store on the inside will not be able to be seen at all. It's completely enclosed all the way down. If you require any more information about the CED-102, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thanks for watching.